Okay, what we have here is our two black kitties. I think I finally figured out how to tell them apart. That one that just ran that way, that's Oliver. He's a little bit smaller than Jag. He has slightly lighter eyes. And Jag, let's go unplug. Jag's a little bit bigger and has a few more white hairs on his chest than Oliver does. It's also easy to tell them apart if you pick them up, because don't play with that. No, no, no. Oh dear. I unplugged the phone. Now he thinks the cord's a toy. This is Jag. Oliver lets you hold him a little bit longer than Jag. Let's see, Jag has one more. Hey, no. More like brown eyes. And that, those beautiful green eyes, that's Oliver. Well, thank you for showing your eyes so beautifully. Both very playful. See your beautiful eyes. Can you see your eyes? And you see they get along fine. Show me your eyes. There. Oh, almost. Jag doesn't hold still long enough to get a good shot of his eyes. Trust me, they're darker. Anyway, I'm sure if you adopted them both, you'd learn to tell them apart in no time. This is Jag. This is Oliver. And now I have to go stop them from playing with my phone cord. They're both friendly, affectionate, playful. Can't understand why they're still here. So, we're having an adoption event today. These are with Wishing Well for Paws, which is the cat side of Pack Leaders Rescue. And the adoption fee is $150 each. So that's Jag's rear end. Somebody come adopt one or both of these adorable, lovely, loving kitties.